All right, let's get to a mad dash as we get ready to begin trading about 7 minutes from now. Monday.com was a big loser yesterday, yes. Jim. You're coming back to it this morning?
Right. Well, I have here in my hand Josh Baer, not that familiar with this work, who upgrades, Morgan Stanley upgrades Monday after a brutal, look at that, that's actually a decline. Now, why was Monday down? Monday is a company that does work processes. He's not unlike his junior service now, if you want to. Well, it happened to have the misfortune of reporting on the same day that Ben Reitzes introduced the AI Eats software. Now, actually, a year and a half ago, he actually coined that term, so I don't know why people are thinking that he just did it. But this is all part of this enterprise software revulsion. We don't want enterprise software. We want semiconductors, a la Le Boutin. And I think that people should recognize that these companies are all being viewed as, let's say, carry-on. Because what's happened is that you can develop your own stuff that is better. Now, Mark Benioff's doing some pushback on that, by the way. Yeah. He's saying that if you're doing process stuff, you're not going to be able to, maybe creative. That would be Adobe. But not Salesforce. So Mark's pushing back Salesforce.
There seems to be a belief here when it comes to Monday that it was a one-time revenue miss.
Right.
They'll get back to some sort of significant growth rate, right, like of 20+%.
No, and I'd rather turn to Tuesday than Monday, which is today.
It is today.
Look, I just got to tell you, I think that all these stocks are going to be shrinking in price to earnings multiple. You shouldn't be thinking about misses. You should just say maybe their earnings aren't worth as much, and that they may have over-earned versus AI, but that AI, people are looking, they'll drop like 5-6 people in a division, and there's like 20 divisions. Next thing you know, you don't need as much as you did. That's what people are saying. And Ben Reitzes, to his great credit, is saying, look what AI does. It cuts the OpEx, the operating expense of companies. Well, what is OpEx?
Right. People.